This is the Openhouse Medicines Bag Plus. Now it has the word medicines in the title, but this bag is ideal for absolutely anything. It's a good quality padded bag. It's made of microguard plastic, so it's going to be good to keep away infections. It's wipe clean, so it's very easy in any environment to keep it clean. Should you get any mess or mud on it, you can just wipe it off. The bag itself, zip around the outside. You've got a carry handle on the top. There's connections here, so you can have it as a shoulder strap. On the front of the bag, there's a pocket here. You can put a titles card in there, maybe your job role. It could have just your first aider, it could have paramedic, it could have medicines or whatever. And on the back of it, it's also got a slide section in here where you can put your patient report forms or any other information, or even identification labels on that as well. Carry handle on the top, it's padded. It's got a decent size to it, so you can easily get hold of it. It's not tight onto the structure of the bag, so it's nice and easy to get hold of. There's also a carry handle on the top. So whichever way you choose to carry it, it's nice and simple and you can get hold of it. To open up the bag, you've got a very strong zip that goes both ways, so it's nice and easy. You're not going to rush in an emergency situation. You need to find where the end of the zip is. There's two ends to it, so it's quite straightforward. When you open up the bag, the top part here is a zip-up pocket. So with this, you can undo the pocket, put stuff in there, and also in there are some Velcro securing straps. So if you've inside here, you can put buy extras for this bag, maybe ampule wallets. We've got Velcro back. You can put those in the top, so you can easily see them and they stay in place. So even when you open the top, you've got other stuff around. You can easily get out the piece you actually want. Opening the bag a little bit more. We've got the sections here. Well, there's two different sizes. This one's a larger mesh type pocket, and this is the two small ones, just for any other bits and pieces you need. When you open it up, again, two more zip pockets, see-through. The advantage of these is all these key three pockets on here, they're all nice and easy to see. So as soon as you open that bag up, you can see exactly what you have. Inside here are also color-coded pouches. So you've got your red, your blue, black and green, and slightly different sizes for this one. So you can have those marked up however you want. Now, from a manufacturing point of view, we can do special orders on these bags if there's quantity there, and you can have different designs and things with it. But from an individual point of view, you can just get labels, vinyl labels. You can mark these maybe for different types of medication or for any other item you want. Now, if you're just using this in conventional first aid side, again, a very good bag, because you can put your dressings in here, you can get plasters, you get all the other bits and pieces you need, and you've got lots of other areas here that you can put any other equipment you need. So as a general purpose bag or a specialist bag, this one is ideal for loads and loads of applications, both in the medical world, but also outside the medical world. It's a good quality padded bag, so it's ideal for lots of other applications.